y'all need help with anything?
Yeah!
Look how muddy it is.
She looks beautiful.
I'll go get the truck.
You gotta pull Mabel out. Wait, move. Hey, spin the tires again.
They don't want to do it.
Okay, never mind, don't.
Oh God, I got
Look at it. Look how muddy it is.
She looks beautiful.
It don't look as muddy on the camera as it really is.
Well, it don't look all that muddy except for on the back.
Yeah, on the back is really muddy.
Yeah, I can fix
Front ain't that bad. The front looks brand new from the camera.